There are so many encouraging signs. There is a huge outburst of citizen reporting, citizens' participation in monitoring day-to-day activities of policing through dash cameras, on the cars, to just openly talking to police officers on the street about rights, about political issues, about public safety, and sometimes helping the police to do their job. We see this happen mostly in urban areas across Ukraine, across Georgia and Kyrgyzstan and Moldova, where the citizens are really feeling the responsibility to uh, protect themselves from illegal activity by police, and at the same time help police to do their jobs better. And I think this is a sign of a maturing civil society, maturing democratic environment, so democratic society, and it's not going to be undone. It will continue to accelerate, and Ukraine is a good example of this dynamic.